Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and a new feature that Apple has that they released with iOS 26.3. And so this is about precise location or limiting precise location. So when you have your phone and you're traveling and you're connecting through a cellular network, what is happening is that your phone is communicating with cell towers in the area. So that's how you're able to travel and be able to still get calls and cellular service in different locations. That was really the purpose behind cellular networks in the first place, to help people connect to phone service and be able to have it in different areas. What has happened over the years is that because those cell networks or those cell towers can identify phones, they also can identify or triangulate someone's precise location, and that information can be used, abused in different ways. So this feature that iOS has now is optional. It's only available on certain phones, newer phones, and I think that they're going to start, especially with newer phones coming out, it's going to become a more regular feature that other people can use. It, as I say, is optional. So you go into your cellular settings and you can see if you have that option. And so basically, what it does, it doesn't give cellular networks or cellular towers your precise location. It may give a general location, like maybe in a neighborhood or different things like that. So I think those things will possibly affect things like geofence warrants and things like that. But then also, in my view, a lot of times, sometimes this data can be misused and abused in the wrong hands or for the wrong purpose. So this feature does not impact apps where you have precise location settings set. So, for example, let's say you use Uber or some rideshare. Those types of apps need your precise location because that's how they pick you up, right? So it doesn't impact that. It really is impacting the way that your location is communicated to cellular towers. This is probably a feature that people don't even think about or um, know the impact of it. But what we're seeing a lot of times now is that, and I think this is similar to cookies, where those technologies were made for one purpose, but they started being used for different purposes. So basically, what Apple's saying, okay, in order for the person to get the service to the phone, the cellular tower does not need to know the person's precise location. They just need to know that they're in range of that tower to get that service. So I like this particular feature. I like that Apple is thinking this way, and I hope to see more innovations in that way, where really what you want is the service and not the surveillance or not the additional data collection that may create some type of harm or or unintended consequence. That's it. Thank you.